Yeah, it's huge. Oh, wow. Wow. That's really cool. Oh, he went down already. Yeah, there's another one over there.
Mira cómo la alimenta. Mira cómo la alimenta.
No, that's the anaconda. This one does. Wow. Honey. Yeah, you can't even see them. Look at it. I have poison man. Viper man. Two of them. That's a viper, right?
It's a rattlesnake.
Oh, rattlesnake. Oh, wow.
Dad, I can't see.
Look at the kiss. Like a penguin. Look at the hole.
Oh.
They kissing you.
Ride.
Yeah. Come here. Tree.
Get out of the water so we can see your whole body.
I would love to just be in someone's path.
David deer, that's what it's called. Wow.
Look at him. It's a baby, right?
Get up.
He's like, I don't want to see you guys.
Nap time's over.
There you go, he's coming. Come on. Get up. Get up.
Good morning, Mr. Gorilla.
Come on, get up.
Oh, there's the blue crab one.
Wow, it's so green. Wow, the head's so pretty, huh? Look at that. Wow, it's so pretty. Dance.
What the? He has long legs. Look at that one.
That can't be you because you're too short. Too short. Which do you like better?
Look at their ball they play with.
I wonder if that's heavier.
He's thinking about it. He's thinking about it.
Keeping that water looks pretty good. And I'd like to come over and see if they need clean.
What kind of penguin is this?
First, I gotta get that.
Go, go, go.
This
Hey,
is
look.
look.
An African penguin.
There's one over